Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to learn how you can enter the customer balances in QuickBooks Desktop. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, check out the complete playlist link in the description, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video.
Okay, now we have entered the balances for all the ledgers. Now what else is remaining? Debtors total balance is 1,50,000, creditors total balance is 3,50,000, and stock total balance is 9 lakh. Now this is control account. Control account means that you don't need to enter this total balance. It is a combination of these three customers balances. So that means that when we will enter the customer individual balances, this control account balance will automatically get updated, so we don't need to create any chart of account for that. To create customers, we will go on the home tab and we will directly click on this customers option. Now from there we will create new customer. Now we can also enter that multiple customers option, but for now we will only add from this option. Okay, our first customer is this. Copy, paste. Opening balance is 50,000 and balance is of 1st of January 2018. Now I have many options there like address info, invoice, bill to, ship to addresses, payment settings, but for now we will keep it simple and basic. Click OK and yes. Now this option shows that the balance you are entering is of 1st January 2018, which is very earlier than this current date. So this is just an indication. If you want to turn it off, you can see this to turn off this warning or change the number of date, you will go in edit menu and then click on preferences, and from the accounting tab you can do that. Yes. Okay, for the future customers, before entering future customers details, we will go in edit menu, go to preferences, accounting, company preferences, and we will turn off this notification. Click OK. Now our new customer is Abu Bakar. His balance is 60,000. Okay, and last customer is Mubarak. His balance is 40,000 as of 1st of January 2018. So after entering the balance of three customers, we will just go in home tab, check chart of accounts. Now you will notice that we didn't have this account receivable ledger before. It automatically came as we entered the customer balances, and the total is 1,50,000, which is the combination of all the individual balances. So this is how control accounts gets automatically updated as we enter the individual balances.